First doom. First doom. First doom. First doom. First doom. First doom.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. You shit my way, so you can go kick rocks. I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be running until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep, wonder but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I'm back with the certainty. I have a sense of urgency, a message for eternity, for everyone eternally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they look at nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I have a motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say. I'ma do shit my way.
First doom.
So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
First doom.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way.
First
So you can
doom.
go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
First doom. First doom.
Yeah, I'ma do it my way. I can't contain it, I'm coming out with a statement. You really can't plan all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got it coming from the basement. 100 miles, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Pyramids, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I'm intellectually passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate for taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one that can master it. Don't give up on your
First
future. We
doom.
all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer. What you say? I'ma do
First
shit my
doom.
way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make.
First doom.
EP conversion for everybody.
First doom.
Everybody.
First doom.